Sawadee ka! Welcome back, Soul Foodies, to my channel. I am here in Chiang Saeng, the northern part, and at the market. What I really want to share with you today is kind of like what to expect, what to eat, when to come. So make sure you get all that information. And before you go forward, make sure you have clicked like, subscribe to my channel, because I want to keep feeding you all this amazing information to feed your soul. So, as you know, I am all about the food. What are the major food that we eat for breakfast here in Thailand? So as we come to the market, you need to come around, it starts around 1 a.m. and we're here about, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. and it's already like kind of dying down. So you want to come early, and the main things that I love to have for breakfast is jok, which is rice porridge. And look at that. We have salapao, which are the Chinese bao buns, and also khao niao mu ping. Khao niao mu ping is the pork skewers with sticky rice. Also, one of the amazing things that I love is the monks also come out and bin tabat, which is where they come and not technically ask for food, but people can give donations and get a blessing each morning. I would normally do these blessings during like our birthdays, big celebrations, or celebrating the circle of life with some of our ancestors who have passed away on their death day or their birthday. And I am so excited because I am going to get to start my morning with khao niao mu ping. สวัสดีค่ะป้าขอไม้หนึ่งนะ เดือดเลยเหรอ? She said get the hot one. I mean, this is already as hot. It is bubbling, guys. Oh, magical. And if you get a shot of this, fat is flavor. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful. And you have to eat it with sticky rice. This is as fresh as it can be. It is so tender and soft, and you want to be able to enjoy that. อร่อยมาก ป้าขาหอมมากค่ะ อร่อยมากเลย It's so good. This one is like one of the fattiest I've ever had. So it is so much flavor. Come on, guys. This is the jok, the rice porridge. She is doing it with pork, and it literally is $1. You can add an egg for like 5 baht. And you can see here, I'm gonna get some later. But this is just so feeding. It is hot, warm, feeds the soul, all the flavors. You get your protein, you get your rice. Rice is king. Rice is like the heart of life. And there's like ginger. They put fresh cilantro, scallions, crispy garlic. So good. Now this is my kids' favorite, ไก่ย่าง, and this is ไก่ บ้าน, I think. I mean, these are pretty big, but ไก่ ย่าง, this is, look at Thai grill. This is their exhaust fan. This is very custom work right here. We also have ปลาดุกย่าง which is our Thai version of catfish. สวัสดีค่ะ We also have chicken hearts and liver. And then, of course, chicken skin. Crispy chicken skin, the best part. I actually have never had this before, so here's the first for me. It's a sugarcane sugar, it's black rice, freshly shaved coconut. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ ได้เลยค่ะ So here, I'm gonna try to take, I cannot take it out of the bag. Yeah. So she asked me if I wanted it sweet or not, and I said I want it sweet. ได้ we'll take more. ขอบคุณค่ะ So มะพร้าวอ่อน young coconut, cane sugar, almost like our brown sugar, and then sticky rice. It's sesame, black sesame. Why do we eat black rice? It's just a lot of nutrients, right? All the things that they eat in the morning is fresh, it's clean, and just natural ingredients. You just can't go wrong. Let me go share.
It's right there.
Yes.
Let me.
So this is not One of my favorite things really ever, fermented rice. Cheers!
What is this again?
Oh wait, this one is good.
What is this?
It tastes like sake.
It's a rice
It
wine.
is!
Fermented rice.
Okay, no, this is really good. You gotta try it with some of the coconut.
Maybe coconut.
Fresh young coconut, just shaved out of the shell. So everything you're eating, probiotics, prebiotics, fermentation, the pep bouilli recipe. ขอบคุณค่ะ Oh, that's good. Ghee rice with Thai brown sugar and fresh young coconut. Please have more.
So this is all the black rice.
Black rice, a lot of antioxidants. Like this is, so she asked me if you wanted it sweet or not, and I said I want it sweet. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating. ขอบคุณค่ะ